Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to flip your picture without any additional editing application on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do now is just go into the photo library, and after that you just need to find the picture that you want to flip. Okay, for example, you want to flip this one. So how to do that, you just need to take a look on this upper right corner. There is two buttons, which is edit and three small dots, but then to flip it, just click edit. And now you just need to go into this bottom side. There are three tools here. Just need to simply click this, and now we just need to see on this left corner there is a rotate and flip. You just need to click it to flip it. You can see now the picture is already flipped. Yes, yeah. So you can find out which positions that satisfy you, and after you're done flipping this picture, you just need to go click done, and that's it. That's the way how to flip your picture without any editing application on your iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.